And a warm welcome to one and all on this fine day, 17th of July. It's currently just before 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to look at the economic calendar, see if there's any times you need to be aware of this morning, and we're also going to look at the strength of the Forex market. Now, just flick this across. Now, this video is released to all of the squad members as it's made, and it goes public at about 10:15. So do subscribe if you want to see these videos, or join the membership if you want it earlier. Now, when we're looking at this, the biggest shaker has been the euro and the Australian dollar. Now, the Aussie has lost a tremendous amount of ground since its last data sample. In fact, it's lost a lot of ground. It's dropped 6 position points, but its strength is reduced by 32, which is significant. Now, one of the things that I've also been paying attention to is JPY. Now, it was relatively weak, but it has gained in strength over the last data sample. And it's gained its strength by 9 points, pushing it up a little bit off the floor because it has been incredibly weak of late. Now, the euro is moving up the ranks as well, which you see here. It's come up 2 position points, but its strength, it hasn't got a great deal of strength in it. It's still just holding its own. Now, the actual marketplace is relatively flat, but the market of choice, what's being pulled out is US New Zealand, but it has a really low ATR, so it's not really something that I would be watching at this moment in time. So I'll just go back to my normals. So if I look at, say, something, one of the sort of majors, they're the products that I would be looking at today. Okay. Now, from the news side of it, if I flick that on, there is some news coming in as we speak, and keeping half an eye on that as well. And one of the things that I do is, if I know news is coming, I kind of stay away from it. So I'm not trading pound JPY early morning. I'm just watching the charts this morning. So, as you can see, there is a lot of news today. We will filter this out to the medium and the high. Come down. What we're looking at the moment is the UK unemployment rate. And from there onwards, so in about 15 minutes, it'd be pretty good to start trading. There's nothing to worry about till this afternoon. And then at 1:30, there is a big bunch of news around 1:30, and it's all US related. And that runs right through the afternoon. Now, if you take the mediums out as well, just like so, it highlights exactly where the high impact news is, and there it is there. So you've only really got 1:30 to worry about today, kids. Other than that, it's quite a technical day, and do well. Catch us all in the next one.